Alexa, play Swindled on Apple Podcast.
Getting Swindled from Apple Podcasts. Here's where you left off in the latest episode, the IMOM, Peter Foster.
None of her friends nor beauty clients had heard from the missing woman. Neither had John, Novi's husband.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a clean with me. I'm just cleaning my bedroom because it is a disaster. And I am doing my very first voiceover, so I really hope this works out. I don't feel I have a voiceover voice, if that makes any sense. But anyway, here we go. Thanks guys. Now to clean these sheets, these pillowcases, the comforter, blankets, everything needs to get tossed in the washer. The hamper at the foot of the bed is everything that needs to get washed. The hamper next to the dresser, the tall one you see right there, that one is filled with clean clothes. So that's stuff that my husband and I have to go through, see what he wants me to steam for him and what can we just put away. So let me finish doing this bed real quick. Now I'm moving on to my vanity, cleaning out my purses and just going through them. I accumulate so much inside of them. And of course, you know, when you find snacks around, before you put them away, you gotta pop one in. So now I put the cookies away, but I had to eat one first. Time to drag this heavy thing down to the basement to start this laundry. It's so heavy. Nothing brings a room together quite like a pretty bouquet of flowers. Don't you guys agree? This bouquet was sent to me from my friends over at RoseForever, New York. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. RoseForever started in 2019 and is based in New York. They specialize in designing luxurious flower bouquets with hand-picked exquisite roses that will last for a year. They use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. The arrangements come in a round or square shaped velvet box and come in 3 different sizes. Pick the style that best suits your personality and decor. They make great gifts for housewarming, birthday parties, holidays, or great just because gifts. The roses come in a variety of color palettes, so pick your favorite color. When I was selected to work with them, I chose this beautiful bouquet in the round box with ivory flowers. Actually, my daughter helped me choose this selection, and I'm so happy that I went with it. It just goes perfectly with my room. I'm sorry, but when I tell you guys I'm obsessed with this bouquet, I am literally obsessed. It is so pretty, and I know I'm biased because they are sponsoring, but you guys, come on. Look how pretty this is. And pretty inexpensive compared to the others I've seen online. You can get yours at roseforever.com and $15 off your first order when you use discount code MissGeeklyChic15 at checkout. And they smell so pretty. I hope that scent lasts all year. Okay, enough about the flowers. Let me get back to cleaning the rest of my vanity. Now I have to clean these mirrors. I don't know how to get rid of that. You see those lines along the mirrors? I don't know. There's like this cardboard behind the mirror. It was like that when we bought the house, and I just can't get rid of those lines, and it is driving me absolutely up the wall. Do you guys have any recommendations? Because I have spent so much money on different products to remove it, and it's not happening. They are not going away. Now to clean my desk area. It's quite a mess and it's so small. Here are my flashcards that I use that I purchased from Melissa Maribel. They are chemistry flashcards. That girl is saving my grade, I swear. My little pouch that I keep all my computer stuff in for video editing. Trying to clean my nightstand, but I got distracted with my iPad. That's it, you guys, all clean. My little Eli here being trouble. He loves to do that, just throw himself on my bed. He's so silly, my big boy.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the way.
Alright guys, and that is a wrap for today's Clean With Me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a like and comment down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys. Be sure you are subscribed and you hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my sponsor, RoseForever. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys. I hope this voiceover isn't as bad as I feel it was, but I'm learning. Thanks guys. Bye.
I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling.